Hello traders, welcome back to Learn to Trade YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video tutorial. In this tutorial I will talk about the stop loss order and I will show you maybe where to hide your stop loss in Forex trading. Please read the risk disclaimer before we'll talk about the stop loss, and also don't forget to email support if you have maybe more questions. Please follow us on Instagram, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, please like this video, please share it, please comment right below it. I'm waiting for comments, for messages. And if you want to become a VIP member, if you want to get all my trades, to follow my trades, to copy my trades, to follow my trade management, please access the link posted right below this video. And also you can still use this code coupon today and maybe tomorrow, because tomorrow this promotion, this code, this coupon will expire. So use this discount code coupon at the checkout December to get a 30% discount. Thank you guys. Okay, so let's talk about the stop loss, and let's take a look on my last trade here on the US dollar versus the Japanese yen. And as you can see, my entry was at 114.99, yeah, and my stop loss was at 114.66. okay, so the price reached my entry and then it has dropped aggressively, but as you can see here on the 4 chart, it has registered, it has printed only a false breakdown with great separation below all these support levels, and then it has jumped far above my entry, and right now it runs in profit. Okay, so I will show it also here. Please take a look on on my real account, on Ava real account. You can see that we had or actually I've had the same position. Please take a look here. So US dollar Japanese yen 114.99, 114.66, yeah, and the trade runs in a profit. So it's crucial to know where to hide or to place your stop loss, yeah. And I will show you also here in our Telegram group, Learn to Trade VIP group. I will show you my trade here, so it is not edited or something. This is my trade. I've shared my trade with the VIP members into the VIP Telegram group on December 28th, yeah. And yeah, 114.99, 114.66, and yeah, might take a profit. Okay, so let's talk about my stop loss. So it was important here when I've decided to place here a buy stop. It was important maybe to place my stop loss below these former lows, below this low, below 114.70, and also I wanted to place my stop loss below this former low here, 114.69, only because maybe personally I've thought that maybe if the price will come back maybe to retest all these levels, maybe the weekly R1 or the upper medium run of the descending pitchfork, or maybe the immediate low, then maybe it could only retest these levels before jumping higher. So you can see here that the price, the US dollar versus the Japanese yen, only registered the false breakdown below 114.69, and then it has jumped higher. Right now it has dropped a little, but in the short term maybe it could develop something like an accumulation, consolidation, and also after this amazing rally, yeah, a minor temporary drop is expected. Right now it's too late to go long on this pair right now, only because we are here right below the weekly R2, yeah, which is seen and represents a static resistance 115.24. And I don't know, maybe I will decide to manage my position soon, or maybe I will decide to move my stop loss at break even, and I don't know, yeah. So it's too late to catch a long right now in US dollar Japanese yen. That's why it's important, guys, if you want to get all my trades, to follow my trade management, please access the link posted right below this video, and you can also use that code, that coupon, today and tomorrow, because this coupon will expire tomorrow in December 31, and yeah, you can still get this 30% discount if you will access the link posted right below this video, if you'll become a VIP member, if you'll use it. So it's very important for you to hide your stop losses. Let's take a look, maybe euro versus the US dollar, because I will take another example, very important. So the price failed to hit my stop loss, even if yeah, you can see it here also in my real account. Yeah, it has dropped, but it has failed to hit it, and then it has increased, it has jumped in deep profit. Okay, so let's take a look here, maybe to talk about another example here on the euro versus the US dollar. Please take a look here. We have something like a range pattern. Okay, and maybe if you want to sell the euro versus the US dollar from around 1.1374, yeah, maybe you should also place your stop loss, I don't know, maybe above, also above this former high. So here only false breakout here with a great separation. So maybe you want also to hide your stop loss also far above, or actually above this high here, and not only above 1.1374, because if the price maybe will come back here, test, retest, another false breakout or something, test, retest, false breakouts here, could signal potential drop. Okay, so that's why it's important for you to hide your stop loss maybe above also this level here, and I don't know, maybe also a little higher, above 1.1374. Or if you want, I don't know, if you want to buy it, if you want to buy, if the price will drop here and we have something like a support zone, demand area around 1.1186, then maybe you should consider placing your stop loss, I don't know, maybe around here, only because if the price drops and makes false breakdowns, test, retests, it registers only false breakdowns with great separations. If it fails to stabilize below 1.1186, then it will turn to the upside. So it's very important for you to know where to hide your stop losses, yeah, because maybe the price, even if the price maybe will move in your direction, in the end it could maybe reach, I don't know, if you are placing a stop loss here right above 1.1374, if you are selling this pair from here, it could still come back to test, retest, it could make only false breakouts and then to move in your direction. So that's why it's really important for you to understand and to know where to place your stop losses. Okay, and in my opinion, it's a very important, maybe let's say that we have this lower low here. Okay, and if you want to go long, yeah, if you want to go long, it's important maybe to place your stop loss maybe a little lower, below this low here, if the price will test, retest, and then if it will increase, or if it will maybe, yeah, if it will make only a false breakdown below this former low, yeah, the price won't hit your stop loss. If you want to go long, it's important, yeah, to hide your stop loss maybe when you have a buying position below a former low, and when you have a selling position, it's important maybe to hide your stop loss below a former high or something. Okay, yeah, okay, thank you guys for watching this this tutorial. Don't forget that you can still use this code December at the checkout to get a 30% discount. Access the link posted right below this video if you are not a VIP member to become one. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow us on Instagram, yeah, and thank you guys, bye bye.